For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
Indian and Chinese troops have been locked in a bitter standoff in several areas along the line of actual control in eastern Ladakh since May 5th. The situation deteriorated after the June 15 Galwan Valley clashes, in which 20 Indian Army personnel were martyred. A bipartisan US Senate resolution has condemned China's use of military force to change the status quo at the line of actual control with India. The resolution, introduced by Senators John Coyne and Mark Warner, commended India for taking steps to secure its telecommunication infrastructure from Chinese security threats. US also supported bilateral and multilateral partnerships such as the Quadrilateral Security Dialogue. Quadrilateral Security Dialogue, or QSD, promote rules-based order in the Indo-Pacific. QSD, also known as the Quad, is an informal strategic forum between the US, Japan, Australia, and India. The diplomatic and military arrangement is widely viewed as a response to increased Chinese economic and military power in the Indo-Pacific region. The four nations jointly tackle problems posed by China in the Indo-Pacific region. The economic problems too are tackled and addressed by the forum. Senate Indian Caucus released a statement condemning China's aggression on India at the LAC. US officially recognizes the McMahon Line, the state of Arunachal Pradesh, and encourages a diplomatic solution to remaining contested areas of the border between India and China. The McMahon Line defines a clear boundary line between India and China. In the months leading up to June 15th, China increased troop deployment, built new infrastructure in contested areas, and harassed Indian patrols along multiple sectors of the LAC, particularly around the Depsang Plains, Galwan Valley, Hot Springs, and the Pangong Lake. The events of June 15th that resulted in the death of 20 Indian soldiers raises serious concerns regarding the intent of the Chinese government and its military. The India-China border dispute covers the 3,488-kilometer long LAC. China claims Arunachal Pradesh as part of southern Tibet, while India contests it. The resolution also noted that China's action of expanding territorial claims in Bhutan's eastern sector is a transparent attempt at expanding its illegitimate claims over Arunachal Pradesh. The US views China's aggression at LAC in the Indian Ocean and in the Western Pacific as a threat to the stability and security of the international community. The resolution committed to deepen US's defense, intelligence, and economic ties with India in line with the comprehensive global strategic partnership. The US and India have signed three fundamental military agreements: the General Security of Military Information Agreement, the Logistics Exchange Memorandum of Understanding, and the Communications Compatibility and Security Agreement, and are working to sign the Basic Exchange and Cooperation Agreement. The bill sought to enhance security partnership with India across Southeast Asia and with other nations of the Indo-Pacific. Support for India against China has come in the form of public speeches, House and Senate floor, letters to Prime Minister Narendra Modi and India's ambassador to the US.